He won't strengthen what you won't start. We love to say God will make a way, and he will. But he's not in the business of strengthening idleness. If you're asking God for strength but refusing to start, you're asking for power with no purpose. God strengthens movement. He multiplies effort. He guides what's in motion. But if you won't write the vision, if you won't take the first step, if you won't risk the comfort zone, why would he pour power into a plan that you won't pursue? The miracle isn't just in the outcome. It's in the start. So whatever he told you to do, do it. Because he won't strengthen what you won't start. Amen.